this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Instagram app crashing or not opening. So first thing you wanna do is you wanna check if Instagram needs updating. So right away, just go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and see if it just needs update. If it does need, it will show update button, but here it's showing open. That means it doesn't need update. And then the next thing you wanna do is go to settings, and then you want to search for apps here. Click on apps, and then inside of apps search for Instagram. Click Instagram, and here you want to make sure inside of the permissions that you have all of these enabled. Make sure permissions are enabled. Go back and then go to storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. And then after you do this, you'll go back, enable the permissions again, because this should reset it. So you go back now, and hopefully you should be able to open your Instagram. If you aren't able to open it, then go back to the settings again, and then make sure your phone is up to date. If you have a software update for your phone, make sure you have you updated. So here you'll see software updates, and over here you want to make sure your phone is updated. So check for updates and update your phone. And if that still didn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling your Instagram app. And if that still also didn't work, then try clicking on the power button. Click and hold until you see the restart button, so you can restart your phone. Basically, you might want to just turn off and turn on your phone, and this should hopefully fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.